Oh my gosh, guess what I have? I have the new Revlon dual-ended jelly makeup blender. And yes, I have mangled packaging. Don't mind me. Alrighty, so it came in this blister pack. I ripped apart. And inside, you've got the dual-ended thing. And oh my god, this thing is softer than my fingers. I tried it on my under eye area, and it, like, legit was so nice. This is the size. The big side is about the size of a thumb, and the smaller side is about the size of your ring finger or a pinky. So it probably isn't the best for, like, foundation, but, like, concealer, man. Concealer, maybe blush, amazing. Now they recommend use it on eyes, lips, whatever, but if you want, you can pause the video and read that. But yeah, I like the color, although, you know, that's really not the thing that people buy makeup applicators for. Or, I don't know, maybe you do. Maybe you buy yours based on the color. Sorry, closing the lid is a little hard single-handed. But there you go. Whoa, and because it's this, like, rubber silicone thing, it's easier to clean. So that's a good plus. But yeah, I'll let you read the back.